Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to verify PrizePicks account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now as you can see, this is the official PrizePicks page. Now you need to know why are you being asked to submit a photo of your ID. This is to complete the process. You'll only need your smartphone and government issue ID such as driver license or a password to verify your account. So after you submit a valid government ID, you'll be notified with one of the following status reports like verified. You will receive a notification that says verification successful. You'll also be provided a link to deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin playing PrizePicks. Resubmit ID. The most common reason for this are blurry picture, improper lighting, and or invalid ID like a library card or debit card. So what you need to do is resubmit it with a proper photo placed in a review. Of verification specialist will review your account information further. Denied. If you are denied, you will unfortunately not be able to play on PrizePicks. PrizePicks reverses the right to deny verification to anyone at its sole discretion for security reasons, which will not be able to provide specific information to individuals regarding why they were denied. So these are a couple of things that you need to do in order to verify, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.